Then we'll continue to crochet the body. Work 1 chain stitch and 15 single crochets in the second leg. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 15 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 14 more single crochets in the same way. Fifteen single crochets are done. Then work 15 single crochets in the first leg. Put the yarn tail inside the fabric. Continue to work the rest of single crochets. Fifteen single crochets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the mark stitch. There might be a hole in the middle of it. We'll sew it up later. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches. Such a V shape on the side stands for 1 stitch. There are 30 single crochets in total. Round 11 is done. The stitches for rounds 12 to 15 are all the same. In rounds 12 to 15, work 1 chain stitch, 37 crochets, and finally 1 slip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 12. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be 37 crochets in total. Mark the first stitch. Keep working the rest of some crochets in the same way. Please finish the rest of some crochets by yourself. There will be 37 crochets in total. Some crochets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 12 is done. Please finish rounds 13 to 15 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 37 crochets, and finally 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 15 is done. In round 16, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, 4 single crochets for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 4 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 3 more single crochets. Four single crochets are done. Then work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of next 2 stitches. Hook the yarn and pull through 2 front loops. Yarn and hook, pull through both loops and hook. Then work 4 single crochets. Work 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 4 single crochets as 1 set. Keep working 2 more sets. The second set. Work 4 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Work 4 single crochets. Set. Work 4 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 4 single crochets. Three sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 16 is done. In round 17, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 27 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish 27 single crochets in total. Remember to mark the first stitch. Keep working in the same way. Please finish the rest of single crochets by yourself. There will be 27 single crochets in total. 27 single crochets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 17 is done.